Navigating inside the parent app is pretty simple. Once you get signed in, you'll see a menu at the top right. When you click that, you can navigate between the different pages. I'm going to start here on the payments page. This is the default page. Here you can see your account balance, when you made your last payment. You can make a payment. You can also see a transaction history. It's important to note that this is a horizontally scrolling section, so you can scroll over and do things like print receipts or view the details of the transaction. You can also print statements and print transaction summaries. These printing functions are available only within the web view, so if you're using the app, you won't see the option to print. You can also edit your payment method. So whatever you're using to make regular tuition payments, you can keep both a bank account or a credit card on file, depending on what the company you're working with allows. You can also turn autopay on or off unless the company requires autopay, in which case, as soon as you add the payment method, that's the method that will be used for autopay. This section also shows your other enrollments and gives you a chance to enroll. Moving on to the account page, here you'll see all the information that you provided when you enrolled. So whatever they asked for on their intake form, that's what you'll see here. You can come and edit and update this information anytime you'd like. You can also see the information you entered for any enrollees or children or students, whatever the use case is. And in a similar fashion, you can update any information that was asked for here in case that changes throughout the school year or throughout the enrollment period. Be sure to save any changes that you make, as those will not take effect unless you save them.